Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6. This app cannot open on your PC error or how you can fix it. I will show you guys the very effective solution that will fix your problem definitely. So let's get started. Guys, first solution is go to the Windows setup with the settings and open it. And once your settings was open, now click on the apps and you can follow the same step if you have the Windows 11. Then just click on the search box, type here the Call of Duty and it will appear on the top. Just click on that. So I don't have the game, but follow me and trust me to fix this problem. Guys, once you search for that, now Call of Duty will appear on the top. Just click on the advanced options. Now here, if you have the Windows 11, you can just go to the apps and just open up the Call of Duty settings. And once you are on this page, just scroll down, you will see the option of terminate. Once you click on the terminate, and then you can just launch the game, see your problem is fixed or not. In Windows 11, you will see the repair option. You can try the repair option. If this is not working, then you can try the reset option. It will delete all your game data. And if reset is not working, then you can just uninstall it from your PC, then again install it, then launch the game again, see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, then open up the Xbox app and open up the Call of Duty, then go to the manage, go to the files, click on the verify and repair. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing any kind of corrupted or missing files. So you just need to wait for it. And if this solution does not work for you, then go to the Windows setup with the Windows update, and if there is any available update for your Windows, then update it. And if this is not the problem, then go to the Windows setup with the device manager and open it. This error might happen because your unupdated graphic card. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then open up a software, update it. If you have the AMD, then open up the AMD software and update it. And you can also update it from your device manager. But if these are failed to work, then go to the Windows setup with the system restore and the create a restore point will appear on the top. So guys, this is the last solution that you need to try. So you'll see the system restore setting will show on the top. So just click on the system restore and this setting will roll back your computer to a specific date you selected. And if your Call of Duty is working on the specific date you selected, then your computer will roll back all the system changes to a specific date. And I hope guys this fixes your issue, and if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.